Hello friends, welcome to BMS Learning. It's the introductory video on apoptosis. Let's begin our discussion with some important terms. What we understand by cell death. So it's simply when the cell is not functional or not needed anymore, and if it's injured, that moment cell dies. And if the death or demise of the cell is happening in a controlled and regulated manner, that's called programmed cell death. So atopic apoptosis is nothing but a form of programmed cell death, which is a process where a cell regulates its own death by producing certain enzymes. The enzymes can degrade both the nuclear material as well as the cytoplasmic content. The effect produced is so strong that the cell is fragmented into various bodies called apoptotic bodies. Now, what could be the fate of these cellular waste pieces? They are engulfed and digested by phagocytes. So what causes this apoptosis? There are many physiological causes for the apoptosis. It can be triggered by factors such as old cells. These can be viral infected cells. And if cell's regulatory and control system senses any irregularity caused by cancer cells, this activity also initiates programmed cell death. Another cell in this category is transplanted cell. Next factor here is the removal of self-reactive lymphocytes. Now, there are many stress-related factors such as radiations, hypoxia, free radicals, and heat. All of these can lead to mutations or DNA damage, and these mutated cells should not exist. The mutated DNA gives rise to misfolded proteins. So indirectly, apoptosis is triggered by protein misfolding. Other than this, old cells must die to give space to new cells because, the new generation has got no respect for elders. Actually, it maintains steady state population of cells. Now let's know step by step the morphological changes that the cell undergo during apoptosis. First, the cell starts to shrink and becomes smaller in size, plus the organelles become tightly packed. After this, the nucleus is shrunken, and this is marked by chromosome clumping and chromatin condensation. This process is called pycnosis. Following this, the chromatin material is disintegrated and gets fragmented, a process called cardiolysis. Further, the cell starts to form blips on its surface. Then the process of converting it into small pieces is initiated. As we know, these fragments are named apoptotic bodies. Now, these apoptotic bodies contain parts of the cytoplasm, organelles, and also nucleus. That was all. Thanks for watching.